Welcome to #Quiz Tutorials. This time we're going to take you through the different leaderboards that are available within your game. First, let us look at Host Leaderboard. Host Leaderboard is just for your view, just for your vision. As you will see next to a player's name, there is an X. If you want to kick the player out for any reason, just push that X. Also, if you decide, and this is host choice, that the team name is not appropriate, this is a part where you click the team name and you can edit their team name to be whatever you decide it should be. Also as well, if the players have done something outside of the quiz which is points worthy, you can change their points here too within Host Leaderboard. And also, if you personally want to read out the names, it's got some advanced functions in there as well. So if you've set up buzzers, you can play the team's buzzers and sound effects too. The next one is your answer results table, which is like a leaderboard. Now, answer results table, first off at the top there's a hide button because we don't know if you need to hide the answer results at whatever situation you might be in. Perhaps you're on a laptop and you have teams behind you that can see the answer results because it gives you the answers. Perhaps you're using big screen mode and it's on a TV and you don't want to tell everybody what the answer results are. For whatever reason, you can hide the answer results table. When your players answer, they will answer in order and the system will rearrange that order for the first fastest correct answer down to the next fastest correct answer, etc. all the way down. And teams that answered wrong, it will put an X next to. It also tells you what points have been awarded if you have changed your point system within the game too. The next leaderboard is only available at the end of a question, which is leaderboard all. When you push leaderboard all, that will go through to not only your device but also the player's device too, so everybody can see where they're up to in the game. The leaderboard is also displayed at the end of the round for the players. So have fun with all of our leaderboards and editing and seeing where you're up to during, before and mid-game, and change what you need to change. Welcome to #Quiz.